Your Honor, the duties and responsibilities of a local chief executive under the Section 444 is general supervision and control. Meron po kaming mga department heads na siya ang may technical supervision, technical knowledge po with regards to this assessment. Hindi na po kasi trabaho ng mayor, talagang sa dami po ng trabaho ng mayor, kung iisa-isain ko po ang assessment sa almost 90,000 real property sa amin sa Porac, wala na po akong
You will
matatrabaho.
just be pointing to your department heads. That is command responsibility, Mayor. So please stop pointing at them.
Chinek niyo ba sa BIR kung nagsabit sila ng annual tax nila? Kasi from their annual tax, doon natin makikita kung magkano yung kinita ng Pogo.
Actually, Your Honor, I relied on my department heads. According nga dun sa Section 44 po na naturan ninyo, General Supervision and Control po ang trabaho ng Mayor. Ang department head po is technical supervision. Kaya nag-hire po tayo ng mga technical people na nakakaalam po nung trabaho nila kasi hindi po kaya talaga ng mayor sa dami ng trabaho. Kasi kung rinireport po sa akin yan, Your Honor, lump sum na.
Correct.
Kaya hindi ko po, wala kung lahat po sa dami ng real property namin, sa dami ng business establishment namin sa Porac.
Ilan ho yung business establishment sa inyo?
Nung naupo ako na nasa almost 2,000 siguro, pero ngayon nasa 3,228. And our real property, 90,000, Your Honor. Sabi nga po, pag report nila po sa akin yan, nasa lump sum na lang. Kasi kung tigisa-isain ko po yan, wala na pong matatrabaho ang mayor. Considering talaga noon po,
Mahirap po
busy,
talaga.
napakahirap
Mahirap
dahil
po talaga
pandemic
ang
pa po.
trabaho ng isang mayor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very quick.
Brief interjection of Congresswoman Luistro. Go ahead, Congresswoman Luistro.
Yes, this is addressed to Mayor Kapil. Mayor, earlier sabi niyo po, while being asked by Congressman Goma, sobrang dami ng mayor, ng trabaho ng mayor. And the reason why you are engaging technical assistants, department heads, para matulungan kayo. Di po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yun po yung sagot nyo when you are being asked by the Honorable Gomez kung bakit hindi nyo na-monitor yung revenue na 3 billion per year. Are you aware, Mayor Kapil, of the principle of command responsibility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Maaari nyo po ba kaming i-enlighten what is your understanding about command responsibility?
Dun sa Section 444 po, General Supervision and Control. Ang ibig po sabihin, may general supervision ako as mayor. The department head naman, technical supervision po sila. Sila talaga ang nakakaalam po kung yung trabaho nila, halimbawa kung sa assessment, sila po talaga ang may alam ng assessment. Sa engineering, kaya nag-hire po tayo ng mga engineers kasi sila po talaga ang may alam naman sa engineering, Your Honor.
And in addition to that, Mayor, you have to understand that for the acts and omissions committed by your subordinates, that includes your department heads, you are responsible for being their superior. Kung ito po'y one time lang, kung ito po'y 3 months lang, kung ito po'y 1 taon lang, baka nga po, sa dami ng trabaho ng mayor, hindi nyo na na-monitor. But according to PAGCOR, we're talking about 3 billion times 3 years. What happened to your BPLO? You have the power to inspect. Why did you not even ask for the income tax return of the corporation as well as the director sitting therein? Pagkalaki po nung gusali na iyon, it did not even raise any doubt. How come naka-zero gross revenue ito?
Your Honor, actually nung naupo po ako, talagang yung bayan namin parang walang sistema. That's why nagkaroon po kami ng reorganization. We're putting, nasa process po kami ng reorganization. We're putting right people at the right job.
Mayor, I remember you manifested that you started assuming in 2019. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the Lucky South started operating as POGO in 2021. Meaning 2021. 2020. You mean to say, Mayor, from 2019 to 2020, hindi mo pa naayos yung payment system? And are you not prompted by the ideas of how to increase the revenue of your LGU? Kasi if you are, you will become very, very conscious of the business establishments operating in your municipality. Especially kung may napakalaking building, itong establishment na ito, it should have raised doubt or even curiosity. Sino ba ito? Ano bang meron dito? Kanina sabi niyo po, malaki ang building pero walang right of way, naka-zero income. Parang it's quite hard to understand, Mayor, kung bakit hindi mo na-unfold, hindi mo na-discover unless it was done intentionally. Itong 3 billion na revenue times 3 years, Mayor.
With due respect, Your Honor, in good faith po, well, in the...
I just want to give emphasis to the principle of command responsibility, Mayor, na hindi po pagkaganito na may investigasyon na, you will just be pointing to your department heads. At sasabihin nyo, hindi nyo alam yon. May department head kayo, may BPLO kayo, may municipal engineer kayo. Please be reminded that you are responsible for the actions of your subordinates. If they are guilty of acts or omissions, you are answerable for their acts and omissions. That is command responsibility, Mayor. So please stop pointing at them. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr.